Morning, Agent Sims.
Good morning, sir.
We've called you in from your normal recon for a special assignment. This mission is critical and takes priority. Now, our soldiers have the most advanced tech, but without a reliable power source, it's worthless. Our fleet is in a similar situation. Advanced sonar tech takes tons of juice to run. Bottom line, we need portable power we can trust. Batteries from a reliable source. Our men and equipment deserve power they can depend on.
I see the importance, sir. I rely on my own specialized gear for success on every assignment, but could you confirm your objective here?
What we're asking you to do is confirm a secure connection to these resources. We can't leave this to chance. Now, we believe Navitas Systems will continue to be an excellent supplier, but we'd like you to confirm with reconnaissance. Make sure they're as good as they say they are.
You want me to spy on a battery company?
I realize it might be out of the ordinary, but don't think of it like spying. Think of it as the final phase of our vetting process.
Timeline?
Immediately. We have to make sure that this top-notch energy supplier can grow with our needs. The future of the military depends on it. There's a car outside. A short drive to Ann Arbor, Michigan, and you'll find 3 facilities that house over 200,000 square feet of R&D, engineering, product testing, and manufacturing. We also need a better understanding of their in-house capabilities and custom design solutions.
Sounds easy enough. Anything else I should look out for?
The facility specs show a 100K square foot lithium battery system manufacturing center that performs advanced R&D, high-energy cell design, and sophisticated pack assembly.
What kind of products do they make?
They're developing 24, 36, and 48-volt system power solutions for the motive power market. Now, these products are called Deca-Ready Power. We'd like to future-proof the supply line. They also have a product called 6T. Many of our tanks and Humvees rely on this battery.
I may encounter some resistance.
You won't be needing that. Maybe just some knockout spray for any guards you encounter. We've already met with some of their execs. They're good people. Just get me the intel I need to verify their capabilities. So, Agent Sims, the Navitas report, please.
Yes, sir. And I have to say, some pretty impressive facilities. Exactly as you described. State-of-the-art manufacturing with a support staff to boot. I can see why you've been impressed. I'd look at them as a strong domestic-based partner. Power product experts you can rely on today and in the future as your power requirements continue to increase.
Anything else I should know?
One thing on the organizational side. A company called Penn Manufacturing acquired Navitas in 2019. Penn is one of the largest lead battery manufacturers in the world.
I might have to talk to a few people. This assignment might not be over just yet. Let me make a call. I'm well, ma'am. Good of you to ask. Reason for my call is a company you had mentioned previously, Penn Manufacturing. Their name came up while we were doing recon on a supplier we've been looking at, Navitas Systems. Apparently the two are connected. Do you need our assistance gathering info on East Penn?
Yes, we've been looking into our domestic companies that provide energy storage products. East Penn is one of the most prominent. I'm not exaggerating when I say that meeting our nation's future energy needs is a matter of national security. Making sure our country has trusted battery manufacturers in place for essential services and military requirements is mandatory. I know you're aware of the number of applications that need their batteries.
Absolutely, I understand. It is a bit unconventional, but I'll have our agent check it out. All right, thanks.
Hi, how can I help you?
Took a look at your agent's report. I realized this operation was big, but I never expected it to look like a small city.
Their innovations are as impressive as their size. Bipolar technology? Auxiliary power solutions? Who knew a lead battery company played such a prominent role in the future of electrification?
What really interests me is their long history of recycling advances. What they've done there with the recyclability and sustainability of their products and environmental protections should really be a roadmap for other battery technologies.
Leaders in battery manufacturing while protecting the environment? I'll go with that. Have to say I'm relieved they checked out. The world is desperate for energy solutions. Looks like Navitas and East Penn are leading the way. Makes our mission possible.